Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of diabetes detection project using deep learning or convolutional neural network algorithm. Now for this purpose, we are using Python as a programming language and the Flask framework of Python to create web application and also the HTML CSS coding for the front-end development purpose. Now as far as the diabetes is concerned, so once the person is having the diabetes, so definitely that impact also seen in the retina or in the eyes, and by having those retinal images we are going to identify whether the particular person is having the diabetes or not. For that purpose we are having the data set, and on this data set we have trends. We are having the image data set and so many images we are having. On this image data set we have trained the model, and also after training the model we have this accuracy. So almost we are having more than 80% accuracy for test data set, and for the training data set the accuracy is beyond 90%. And this is the confusion matrix we can see after having these tests. So it reveals the good accuracy again, and this is the loss function. So good performance we have obtained for this also. Now, coming back to the project, so once we run this project, so we have to put localhost around 5000 in the browser. So that's what we'll hit, and this is the front page, or we can see the static information on this particular page. Now, this is the important page. Here we have to upload the image of retina, and based on that, we can predict whether the particular person is having the diabetes or not. So once we upload, that image will appear over here, and after clicking on the test button we can get the report. So this is the normal retina without having any kind of problems. But there is another data set from which we can upload. For example, if we consider this image, and then if I check it, so it will be a diabetic image. Okay, so this is the diabetes detected. So that's how it can be detected. So one of the sign of diabetes is impact on the retina or on the eyes, and by detecting that we can actually do the diagnosis, and this can be the tool for the doctors for effective diagnosis of this particular disease. So that's all about the complete implementation of this project. In case you are having any queries, or if you need this code, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.